Welcome back to another episode of Cooking on a Dime. Today we're going to make buttermilk French toast. We'll start with 2 whole eggs, followed by 1/4 of a cup buttermilk. Whisk vigorously. One-quarter a cup regular milk. Give that another quick whisk, and then we'll fry. Coat each piece of stale bread in your egg wash solution and fry until golden brown on each side. When done, plate nicely and cover in some delicious maple syrup, and you will have perfect, beautiful French toast every time. If you like this video or just learned something, please give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time where I teach you how to make leftover French toast breakfast bubble bake that my kids went wild for.